Hello, this is my experimental design setup, and here the data sheet is. I'm going to record it with this spreadsheet, and then I'm going to record the average height after day 30, and the final height in centimeters. And the day 1 height is the height recorded after the first germination day. After the germination day, and I'm going to record the germination day. And pots 1 through 10 contain no variable, pots 11 through 20 contain tuna fish, and pots 21 through 30 contain fertilizer. So I'm going to start by putting in the seeds. Alright, so I'm going to start off with putting the beans in the pots. I measured an inch down because the beans go a half an inch under the soil, so they will be an inch from the top of the rim of the pot. And then I will start off with that. And it says in my procedure that they are going to be in a row, but there wasn't a table to fit that, so I'm just going to measure out the averages of the pots so that the amount of sunlight hitting each group will be equal. And these bean seeds are called half runner bean seeds because they go a half an inch beneath soil. And I bought them at a store called Better Blooms. And the group, alright, so the group with fertilizer is in these 10 pots right here. It says fertilizer. Alright, the group with fish is in these 10 pots right here, in the middle group. And then the group with no variable is in these far group of pots over here. And now I will put in the fertilizer and the fish to these pots. Alright, and the potting soil is all-purpose potting soil right there. Now I will start by, and then this is all-purpose Scotch fertilizer over here for plants. So I will put 1 teaspoon of the fertilizer in. Alright. And that will be all for the fertilizer group. Now I will start off with the fish group. The fish is canned tuna fish. And I will Alright. And the question that I'm testing is, does the addition of dead fish affect the growth of plants better or worse than fertilizer? And I'm doing this experiment because the Native Americans put dead fish near their corn because it supposedly grew better. I wanted to test this idea. And my hypothesis is if dead fish is related to the growth of a plant, then the dead fish in the soil will cause the plant to grow taller. I'm going to measure the bean plants in centimeters with this ruler, and I'm going to hold up the bean plants that need to be held up. Alright. And for safety hazards, do not eat soil, fish, plants, fertilizer, pot, or bean plant. However, you can eat the beans once the experiment is over. And also do not inhale the fertilizer or ingest that in any way. And always wash hands after handling the fertilizer. And the beans are 1 inch from the rim of the pot, so if I fill it up to the rim of the pot, they will be they're half an inch below the rim of the pot. So when I fill it up to the rim of the pot, they will be half an inch under the soil. And the rim that I'm filling them up to is the outside rim, not the inside rim of the pot, so it's the higher up rim. And that will be all of the soil and planting for the beans today. And I have regular tap water here that I am watering onto my plants with 1/4 of a cup. And I'm going to repeat this step each day. And that will be all for today, but I will do another video when my growth for my plants is happening. So that will be all.